Tomorrow is tax day, which means if you have not yet completed your tax return, you're probably working on it right now. The process has not changed much this year, but next year, effects of the president's tax law will become more apparent. Correspondent Peter Doocy tells us how.
Even though the ink on the tax reform bill has been dry for 4 months, the annual mid-April headache millions of Americans get around the time of the IRS filing deadline is not going anywhere yet.
This is the last time you're going to fill up that long, complicated, horrible return.
Do you guys have any questions?
For most taxpayers, tax day 2018 won't be dramatically different than previous years because the new law passed towards the end of tax year 2017. So the new rules kick in next year.
One page, it may get a little bit bigger, but it'll be simple and easy to do.
Next year's filings will also finally reflect lower rates, fewer brackets, and a standard deduction nearly twice the size of this year's.
Individuals be able to deduct more against their taxable income than they would have previously. This may mean lower tax bills, but also it may mean that a lot of individuals may not have to itemize their deductions anymore.
Cuts for individuals run through 2025, while corporate cuts are permanent, a problem for Democratic critics.
The GOP tax scam was the future of our seniors and our families and our children in order to give even more money to Wall Street, pharmaceutical companies, big corporations, and the wealthiest 1%.
Republican House Ways and Means Committee Chairman Kevin Brady writes in USA Today, while we are in the midst of this year's frustrating tax season filing under the old broken tax code, things look bright for next year. And experts say 2019 could be the year some citizens see their April tax bills disappear.
There's a much bigger exempt amount. There's bigger standard deductions. They might have children and child credits. What you'll probably see next year is some people going to file and thinking, wait, I don't know anything. This is fantastic.
It would be quite a change if people are indeed pleased to get a letter from the IRS. And the tax collector has a long way to go to get there. The acting commissioner says new language in the new law means they've got to make changes to 450 different sets of forms. Brett?
All right, Peter, thank you.